Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup SharePoint documents using Microsoft Power Automate easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your Microsoft Power Automate portal in a web browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account associated with SharePoint. Once logged in, click on Create in the left-hand menu. Select Automated Cloud Flow from the options presented. In the prompt that appears, enter a name for your flow. Search for when a file is created or modified in the trigger search box. Choose the trigger from the list. Select the SharePoint site and document library where your files are located. Click on New Step to continue building your flow. Search for Get File Content in the Action search box. Select Get File Content from the actions provided. Set the file identifier field to the identifier from the trigger you chose earlier. Click on New Step again. Search for Create File in the Action search box. Choose Create File from the available actions. Select the destination where you want to backup your files. This could be another SharePoint site, OneDrive, or any other cloud storage option. Fill in the folder path to the location where the backup will be stored. Set the file name field to the file name dynamic content from the trigger. In the File Content field, select the file content from the Get File Content step. Ensure all fields are correctly filled before moving on. Click on Save in the upper right corner of the screen to save your flow. To test your flow, upload or modify a document in the source document library. Monitor your flow's activity by checking the My Flows section in Power Automate. If set up correctly, you should see your file create a backup in the specified location. Review the flow's run history for any errors or to confirm successful execution. With that, your automated backup process for SharePoint documents is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.